Hello, my poshy little lattes. So today I want to talk a little bit about my top 6 posh items. And the reason I wanted to show you my top 6 is because if you haven't heard of Perfectly Posh before, or you may have forgotten, but we are always buy 5, get the 6 free, which is an amazing, amazing deal. And everything is under $25. So really you can't go wrong. It's amazing. So when I really wanted to think about what are my top 6 items, I really had to ponder this, and the struggle is so real. I really had to think about this for a long time. I switched some things out, I decided on some other things, but really I came to the conclusion that these are my top 6. I wanted to really choose things that I use every single day or just about every single day. And if I was on a deserted island, the island of Poshland, and I needed only 6 items to survive my skincare needs, this would be it. I know, like, would you really care about skincare needs on a deserted island? Maybe you would, because when you're rescued, you want to have great skin. So that's my thought anyway. But I want to go through each one of my items. I want to tell you why I love them so much and why they made the top 6 cut, even though it was so hard. But I did it. I did it for you guys. So first of all, I chose our coconut oil. This is our lemon berry. We have lemon berry right now. Last season we had the Poshmark, which I adore, and I do love the lemon berry too. It's fantastic. Our coconut oil is hands down one of the most used items that I use. It is great for everything. The coconut oil is fantastic to remove your makeup. It is fantastic as a moisturizer. It's fantastic when you get sunburn and you have dry skin, irritated skin. It looks great on your legs when you're wearing a skirt. You just put it on, you have that beautiful sheen on your legs. It's great for cuticles. It's great for your hair. It's like the multi-purpose, beautiful thing. I don't even know. You guys can make up a word for me. What is this? It's just a thing of beauty. That is what it is. And I want to show you guys what this looks like. This is, as you can see, very, very liquidy. And this is what it's going to look like when it gets a little bit warmer. And so if you get your coconut oil in, and I've said this a million times, so if you've heard me say this, now you know the coconut oil secret. But if you get this in the summertime, it'll probably come a little bit more liquid. But when it starts cooling off in your house, it's going to look, let me find my other one, it's going to look like this, which is very solid, if you can see. And they are both exactly the same, and they are both exactly right. So don't panic. What has happened to my coconut oil? It's okay. It's perfectly fine. Some people say it's defective, but it's not. It's actually a sign of a really great coconut oil when it solidifies. Usually about 73 to 74 degrees, you're going to start seeing it solidifying a little bit. All you have to do is just put it in a little bit of warm water. Just put it in a cup. You can put it even out in the sun if you want to use it out in the sun. Or I just like to put it in the shower, and the steam from the shower will just melt it up like this. Or you can even squeeze it into your hand when it is in a solid form, and it'll just immediately melt from the warmth of your skin. So coconut oil, number one. And I'm going to say I don't have these in any particular order. It's all random. So it's not like that's my top, but I do use this probably more than any other thing. I was recently on a trip for work, and I forgot my cleanser and my moisturizer. I mean, who does that? That is unacceptable behavior. But I did do it, and I was able to remove my makeup, basically cleanse my face and moisturize my face, all with my coconut oil that I had. So lucky me, it is awesome. Then also our Moisture 911. This is my face cream that I use every single morning, and it is perfection in a bottle. Again, it is so wonderful, and I just love the size of this bottle. It's huge. Look at that. I mean, I've had this bottle for months, and I use this every single day. So you could just see how much you're going to get in this bottle. I mean, it's 4 ounces, and you only need a little tiny bit. And you put this on your face. It's got caffeine in it, so it's going to brighten your face. It's going to tighten your face. And it has a beautiful orangey zing to it, so very citrusy, and it's not greasy. I can put this on and apply my makeup within seconds. That's how wonderful this is. So this is my go-to in the morning. I just really feel like it wakes me up, and it just feels so, so nice on my skin. I mean, it's great for dry skin. It's great for oily skin. I mean, it's just really fantastic. Then I love our Impish Eyes. And you know, when I've said before, my all-time favorite product could be the Impish Eyes. We actually have it in this brand new applicator, which I love because it has this little metal ball on it, so it's very cooling. So in the morning, you just swipe it under your eyes, all over your eyelids. I do it on both. It's going to completely depuff your eyes, and it's very, very cooling. It's just the perfect thing when you get up in the morning and you're just like, I don't want to get up today. Oh, I think I'll have my Impish Eyes. I feel so much better already. And these two in tandem, of course, these are my go-to. If I forget these on a trip, then I really just have a very long crying session because I just love them and I use them every single day. So the Impish Eyes, that's number 3. So number 4 is our As Good as Gold stick. And we have lots and lots of skin sticks that I love. I love our Healer stick, our Perk stick. I love them all for different reasons. They all do great things with your skin. They're all shea butter based. But the As Good as Gold stick is just, it has a special place in my heart. And this one has natural Moroccan argan oil and shea butter in it. And there's something so great about argan oil. I mean, you can use this little stick. You can actually kind of put some in your fingers and put on the ends of your hair. It'll help with split ends. What I really love to use this for is after I use my nightly moisturizer, I always swipe this around my eyes and around my lips. This is fantastic for fine lines. It's going to moisturize your skin and you're going to notice those fine lines disappearing. And it kind of smells like bananas. Oh, it smells so good. I love the As Good as Gold stick. So I probably have about 6 of these, just of this one, because I'm terrified of not finding it because I really do use this every night. And it says right on here, for youthful, elastic skin, eyes, hair, and nails. You can use this on your cuticles. I mean, it's just so multi-purpose for so many wonderful needs. So the As Good as Gold stick, and you can have a heart of gold. So you got to try that one. Okay, our next one, this is number 5. This is our Cackle Spackle. Now, the Cackle Spackle was actually came out as an exclusive last Halloween, and it was so incredibly popular that they brought it back and put it in the catalog. Thank you, Posh. I love you. I love the Cackle Spackle. I was hoarding my one little mask that I had. And actually, it's really cool because this is coming out in a tube form now. So you can just squeeze it right out of the bottle onto your face. But I want to show you how beautiful this is. This is a detoxing mask. And I just love, ooh, sorry, I'm trying to get around there for you. I just love the way this looks inside. And it's pepperminty. And you know, when you put like pepperminty stuff on your face, it's extremely cooling. It feels so wonderful. It has charcoal in it, has volcanic ash in it, which is also great for fine lines and aging skin. And so it's going to detox all that yucky stuff out of your face, also by cooling your face. And I have said this before, but I love to put certain things in the refrigerator. And then it's going to be cool when you put it on. So the end of a long day after you showered, you take your Cackle Spackle out of the refrigerator. Make sure you tell your family it's not food, even though everything is very safe and all naturally based, I must say. But you put this on, and it's just, the peppermint is going to feel amazing. But because it's already cool from the fridge, you're just going to be like, oh, and like the Posh Angels will like open up from the sky and sing and rain down upon you. So I love our Cackle Spackle. That is probably my all-time favorite mask right now. And of course, I had to choose one of our Big Fat Yummy hand creams because I was never a lotion person before Posh. I mean, I knew I needed lotion because my skin felt dry, but I hated to use it because I would use it and then I'd be like, oof, oof, you know, I want to get like a tissue and take it off, and you should not have to do that with hand cream at all. And our Big Fat Yummy hand creams are never, ever greasy. They are fantastic. You could be at a stoplight, you can just pop a little bit in your hand, you can rub it all around, and then you can do whatever. You can drive, you can hand your binky to your baby without just feeling, oof, you know, and I hate that. And I had to pick my current favorite one, which is I Scream for Ice Cream. And I love it. It smells kind of like sweet cream and spun sugar. It's my favorite. So I'm going to show you how much you would use. Just about that much. You do not need a lot at all. And it's 3 ounces, so it is TSA approved. You can take it right through security. Oh, this scent is I don't know. This has to be my favorite scent. I always love the Poshmark scent that we had. I really like the sweet scents. A lot of people prefer like the florally scents or whatever. I'm really a sweet scent kind of person. So this is definitely right up my alley. I love this one. And it's just so cute. And of course, I love ice cream. So this is fantastic. This is perfect for summer. It's a wonderful scent for summer. We have all kinds of other Big Fat Yummy hand creams to choose from too, which I love, and I use them interchangeably, but this is definitely my top favorite. I probably have 3 or 4 backups of this. You know, don't tell anyone. I always have to buy backups of the ones that I love. So our Big Fat Yummy hand cream, this is number 6. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know if you have any questions on my top items. Remember, we are always buy 5, get the 6 free. Everything is under $25. We have all kinds of fantastic things for your skin, to take care of your skin, to just love the skin you're in, right? And take care of it. I mean, our skin is so, so important. And especially as I get older, I realize, how important it is to, moisturize and detox and take care of our skin. And it is never too early to start your skincare needs in your life. So thank you so much. You can check everything out at tracyposh.com. If you want a sample of anything that I've shown you, please reach out to me at tracyposh1@yahoo.com. If you have not joined my VIP group, you need to. All kinds of fun stuff is happening in there. I have the link below for you. And if you want to join my team and become a fantastic posh lady, and then you can choose your top 6. You can choose your top 6 right now. I would actually love to know. Comment below what your top 6 is, because I love to hear that from everybody. But you can go to tracyposh.com/join if you want to join my team. Thank you so much for watching me. I love you guys. Bye.